Well, I thought I'd make a short video of my 10 rolls of pennies I went through today. And there's my crap. There's the copper. We got 6 Canadian pennies, 3 wheat pennies. I think one of them's in the 40s, the other 2 are 50s somethings. These 2 are possible error coins. I gotta check them out more. And this I found at work today. I work in a scrapyard. We metal recycling scrapyard, and we grind up cars and tin and whatever else we can find. And I found this in with the aluminum today. It's a 59D Franklin half. Pretty nice for free. Okay, that's about all I got for today. See you next time.